Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you are new, if you are new here to my YouTube channel, so please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell para like updated, and please don't forget to follow my Instagram account and Facebook account or another for a social media account, Instagram at Derek Eduardo and Facebook Derek Eduardo. So let's get started. In this video, we will going to unbox and review a wig from Shopee, very affordable wig. So yes, let's open it. So I ordered this last week, then getting to China. So here it is. Oh, here's the wig. This black wig is on TikTok na. This is very long. Yeah, they have so they have a free hair cap. So yeah, I got this for only 298 pesos. I will paste the link later. And shop. So yeah. So here's the hair cup. Let's wear this. Let's make this short review only. Okay, see. Okay, this is like this. Oh, I see. So here's the wig. So this is the wig. This is very long. So I like this one. And it has a bonnet bar. So it has cover and good for the seller. This is kind of messy right now, but I'm going to, make this straight again. And let's try to wear this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait only. The hair is very long, very soft. Wait, sorry. Wait. Malambot siya. Mahaba. Shiny. So if you like it, thank you.